Okay, next step is we're going to take each clear cap off of each softener, and we're going to change out the blue control disc with the red control disc that you see over here in your kit. In doing so, you'll have 6 screws to take out. These screws and all the setup of all these units are in metric. So you'll need a number 3 metric Allen wrench to take off the clear cover. And then we'll go ahead and do that now. 1, 2, as you will see, once we get these screws out and get this cap off, all screws inside of an Ontario unit do not screw into plastic, but they screw into metal stainless steel inserts, which is actually better than screwing into plastic. So we're going to sit there and take these things out all the way, okay? And there is a certain way that this cap goes back on. It's clearly marked on the top of each cap, an arrow pointing in this way. You'll see it here. When you put the cap back on, you have to make sure that that arrow is in the right position. All right. All right, 2 more screws to go here and we'll be done with this part of it all. All right. And 1 more to go after this. All right. And all screws are out. I always put my screws in my box over here. It's a good work area to use it in so you don't lose screws. Okay. Next step here is pull cap off, which we just did. Set your cap over here in your work area. Remove the blue and white disc from here, and you'll see that. Now, the next step is we have to pull the spring and the yellow clip off of this blue control disc. And then be a little tough in the beginning, but you'll get used to it. But boom, there we go, okay? We just removed that control disc. We get another control disc, the red one. We go here, we put it back on the same way as the one you just took off, okay? Making sure you get the yellow clip in the hole. Not like that, but like this. Okay, boom. Now, we have our clip back in place. Control disc looks good. And now, boom, it's back on. Now it's time to put the cap back on. And again, looking at your arrow, we're gonna line it back up, straight up, like this. Next thing you wanna make sure though, is this O-ring here on the cap is right here on the outside of this lip, just like this, okay? So now we're back on. We're in, and it's time to put screws in. You can stop if you want.